Good morning, CCMS. This is Sydney Ann
Tall Griffith
with today's Dreams for CCMS team. Today is Tuesday, November 3rd. Don't forget to tune in to our YouTube channel each morning at 7:55 for our daily newscast. And remember, first period will begin at the sound of the 8 o'clock bell.
Thanks everyone once again for participating in Spirit Week last week.
There will be a career fair from November 5th from 9 to 11 a.m. in the gym for all 7th and 8th graders. But don't worry, 6th graders, you will have a chance of your own career fair from November 19th from 8:30 to 11 a.m.
Come prepared to learn more about careers you are interested in. Girls and boys basketball tryouts will be held November 9th through 11th. Interested students must have a complete physical turned in to Mr. Davis.
On November 14th, there will be a basketball camp for girls and boys ages from 7 to 13. It will be held at the high school. Registration is from 8:30 to 9. The cost is $25 per camper. It lasts from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
The CCMS Math Department is hosting the Math Masquerade dance on Friday, November 13th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Students are encouraged to wear creative costumes to the dance, and a costume contest will be held. Students coming in costumes will have their name entered into a drawing for a $25 GameStop gift card. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now, a moment of silence. You may now be seated. Don't forget to tune into CCMS News Show every morning at 7:55. And if you have an upcoming event you would like covered, email us at ccmsnews2015@gmail.com.
Good morning, students. Just a couple of additional things. I want to remind everyone that band pecan orders are due today. Also wanted to remind everyone that basketball tryouts for boys and girls will begin on Monday. Make sure you have your physical so you can come out and participate. Remember to make good decisions and do your best. Have a great day. CCMS Believers, one team,
one dream. At the bell, students may report to first period. This has been the CCMS News Team reminding you to be a believer.